Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. I have another unboxing video for you today, and once again we'll be unboxing a laptop. So shall we just get on with it? So here is what I will be unboxing. Doesn't look that exciting just seeing the box, does it? But you've probably just seen the brand there stuck to it. So this is a Lenovo laptop, and specifically the model of this particular one is the V145-15AST. So V145-15AST, and it's basically a budget laptop, this one is. So we'll get it unboxed and I'll talk about the specs once we've got it unboxed a little bit. Okay, so what have we got here? Here we go, and here it is in its lovely packaging. So let's pop these off and actually get to the laptop itself. Put them over there. So okay, here we go with the laptop. So yeah, this is a 15-inch laptop, as you can probably tell. So yeah, it's not small, it's not light, it's not meant to be. That's what's important. But yeah, so that is it unboxed. Should we have a little look at it? Let's take a look. So there we go. That is it unboxed. 15-inch laptop, as I said. Keyboard is spacious. Does have the number pad on the side, which is a real bugbear of mine. But that's just me. That is just me. Watch any of my other videos, I pretty much say that about all 15-inch laptops. But keyboard itself in general use is nicely spaced and doesn't feel too bad, considering this is a budget laptop. You know, what do you expect? So yeah, so that is the Lenovo laptop unboxed. Let's just touch on the spec briefly, and I'll just run through it with you. So this particular one, this has an AMD A6 processor. So that is not a processor to write home about. It is a completely budget processor. It's got the 256GB SSD in it, which is great. You know, ultra fast hard drive, tick for that. 8GB of RAM, I'll give it another tick for that. And as I've touched on, it's a 15-inch full HD screen, and it's running Windows 10, which is fine. So overall, yeah, it's quite weighty, it's quite big, but it's cheap. It's really cheap. We've got this particular laptop is going to a person who only works 2 days a week, and what they do is basically web-based when they are working. So for them reasons, it doesn't make sense for this particular customer to spend loads and loads of money on a laptop which is only going to be used twice a week, and when it is used, it's just going to be used in a few Chrome tabs or Firefox tabs or what have you. So this fits the bill. It's cheap, it's cheerful, but the most important thing is it does the job for the customer, and that's what's the most important thing here. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video of me unboxing this Lenovo laptop. I've actually done a full review of this particular laptop as well, where I go in depth into the aesthetics and the specs and the performance and what have you. So I will link to the full review down below this video if you're watching this on YouTube. But yeah, I think I will wrap this unboxing video up for today. So if this video has been useful or insightful in any way, please do smash the like button. It really helps grow our channel. I can't stress that enough. Please do subscribe. We're releasing new content all the time. And likewise, feel free to comment on the video. I try to personally get back to all of the comments that we get on our videos, so please feel free to do so. And likewise, below are also the links to connect with me on LinkedIn and on Twitter and on Instagram. So that's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions, signing off with another finished unboxing video. Hopefully this image will make it onto the thumbnails for the video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.